today. I'm Roniel Mendoza from BSIT 32. And are you wondering how image classifier program works? So, watch this video. So ayun, magka-classify tayo ng image using Google Colab. And syempre first, upload natin yung CSV file. Yan, lagay natin from google.colab import and i-import natin yung files. After nun, susunod natin itong code na to. Then run natin siya. After nyan, lalagay natin tong code ng columns na nandun yung length and width ng sepal and petal, then class labels. Then load na natin yung data. Then ito na yung output nya. Nandito yung sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, and class labels. Then ito yung isa niyang output. Mas ano to? Mas accurate to. Kumbaga mas detailed. After nyan, ito namang cns.pairplot. Then ito, may lumabas na mga graphs ng mga class labels. May mga kikita tayong dots tsaka parang mga waves dito. Sunod nyan, ito namang data equals df.values with x and y data. Next is itong calculate na natin yung average ng each species ng different classes, each features ng different classes. Then pag niran natin siya using this output, ito na yung magiging output niya. May makikita tayong graph ng mga class ng species na yun. Next dito is nakalagay dito sa comment, split data to train and test dataset. And sunod is support vector algorithm. Next code is, ito na may input natin. Input natin siya to predict from the test data test. Pinaka-prediction na to. Yung pinaka-prediction. And ito, kinalculate natin yung accuracy, 0.96. Ito na yung detailed classification report. Nandito yung precision, recall, F1 score, and support. Then, makikita natin dito yung mga number na to. Galing to sa CSV file. Ipipredict niya kung sang species belong yung mga number na to. Ayan, gaya yan. Iris setosa, Iris versicolor, and Iris virginica. Then, sunod dito is save na model. And load natin siya. Ayan, next dito is ito, model.predict. Ayan, lumabas. Iris setosa, Iris versicolor, virginica. Ayan, ito na lahat ng output natin sa prediction sa image classifier program. Makikita natin dito yung mga details. Detailed na details siya. I learned that na yung image classifier program sa isang machine learning models that used to detect, recognize, and categorize items in images or pwede ring videos. Because of this machinery, mas na-identify yung isang bagay or materials na in-input natin sa program natin. The image classifier program enables the automated recognition and categorization of images, which has numerous applications in fields such as computer vision, object detection, image search, and etc. The classifier makes a prediction based on the learned patterns and relationships sa data na in-input natin. Sobrang useful nito nowadays. We can use this system lalo na sa security. It can use its security identification purposes gaya ng facial recognition or object and image detection. This technology can also be used to identify potential security threats gaya ng unauthorized individuals or suspicious behavior in real time. Mas mababawasan ang mga panganib at trahedya dahil sa dagdag na seguridad. Sa product satisfaction assessment naman, image classifiers can be used to provide more detailed feedback on product based on their visual features. By analyzing image or visual data related to products, the program can determine customer sentiment, identify product defects, or assess product quality. This program is sobrang useful sa mga engineers because of this. They can simulate and gawin ng isang designs na 2D or 3D. And it can also reduce errors and saves time. And it also provide a more efficient and accurate design process.